Now, this is the second example regarding legislation. On this occasion, we're going to the office of the Queensland Parliamentary Council for the official version of Queensland Government's Queensland legislation. So this is the version that you will need to produce in court if you are producing an official piece of legislation. We've got acts in force, acts as passed, acts as made, copies of bills, etc. But look, if we're interested in a particular piece of legislation, this would be the place to start. So let's have a look and see if we can find something, for example, about information or information privacy. I'm interested in information privacy, but here's one. Oh, that's a little bit early for us, but information privacy would be a good example. So there's the Act, and as is previously the case, you can view the whole Act. You can have a look at the subordinate legislation, and there's some regulations, which is good news in case you needed to have a look at those. And you can even have a look at the legislative history of the bill. So there's all the times that it's been amended since it was first passed. That's useful as well. So okay, there's the Information Privacy Act 2009, and that tells us what we need to know if we want to find the original bill from when that was introduced. Now, to do that, we go here to the Queensland Parliament website. This is parliament.queensland.gov.au, and go to the work of the Assembly. Remember, in Queensland we only have a lower house, so the Assembly, and then over here, bills and legislation. Now, back to the Act again momentarily. It's a 2009 Act. So, looking through here, bills that are before the House at the moment, bills in this Parliament, previous bills. So we've jumped over to the bills from previous Parliaments. We're looking for 2009, 53rd Parliament, first session 2009 to 12. Now when we jump through, we'll see there's going to be quite a few. So I've got to roll down a considerable distance. Here we are, now we're in 2009, again in alphabetical order. We're looking for the Information Privacy Bill. So a little bit further down, there it is, the Information Privacy Bill. Now what we're looking for, as we've done with previous occasions, is there's a copy of the bill, there's a copy of the explanatory note, and there's even available a copy of the second reading speech if we need it. So remember, for the purpose of statutory interpretation, if you want to know what's the object and the purpose of the Information Privacy Bill, one of the places you can go to is either the second reading speech or the explanatory note. Let's have a quick look and see how it starts. Here's the objects. The primary object of the bill: provide for the fair collection and handling of personal information in the public sector, and to provide a right for individuals to access and amend their personal information held by public sector entities. So there's the object of the bill. How to achieve it? So this is the how we're going to do it. We're going to achieve that policy objective by doing these things. So that's the purpose of the legislation. So the object was up here. Why are we? What's the object? Why are we doing? What are we hoping to do? How are we going to achieve it?